Awesome job. All right, without wasting much time, folks, the next thing we're gonna do now is we're at that point why we are here today, and we are gonna start the hackathon in the next 2 minutes. Just to give you a heads up, folks, once we put you in a group, we would have four groups. You will see moderators will be going around the rooms and just trying to support and help you. And make sure you also know that we are not there to provide you the answers because we want to make sure that you are successful and you win. And so we will give you hints when we feel that you are stuck. So be ready for that and just have fun with it. Think like an attacker potentially and someone that is doing research also, right? So it means if you see a hint, Google, ChatGPT, whatever you want to do, research it. We have 1 hour. So make sure you're as effective. Somebody say, can I use my phone? Absolutely. Use anything you want to use. Whatever you want to use, go ahead and
Well, use your phone for Googling, yes. Use the phone for the game. It's gonna be very tricky. So we recommend computer.
yes, good point. So you can use your phone to Google, do your research thing, but absolutely do use your phone to research if you want to. And Taufik, thank you so much. I will make you a co-moderator real quick before we get started. And in case any of our moderators, please, if I have not made you a co-moderator, please just ping me so that I can just quickly do that right now. And I just want to say special thanks to all our moderators, guys. Thank you so much. And ladies, for volunteering. You all are awesome, really. If I missed anyone, please let me know. Teddy, I'll make you a co-monitor. Teddy just passed this secure CISSP this week, actually. Congratulations, Teddy. So that's a big one. So naturally, you're going to be a co-moderator by force now. Yeah, CISSP.
I think maybe
uh,
meantime I will show you how the players how to use the range.
okay, please go
I
ahead.
will share the
Yeah.
screen real fast.
Yeah.
Okay, just let me know that you can see my screen.
Yes, I can say it,
Okay,
folks.
perfect. So once you log into once you register to the link, it will take you here. Right now on your end, you will not be able to see Santa's Red Hat. It's not going to have any campaign on it. Once I fire the campaign, you will be able to see it. You're going to have to wait about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes before you will be able to click join. So when you hover on top of it, it will say join. You click and you go inside. When you go inside, there's only three important things that you need to know. First one, here it's going to show you where you stand in terms of all the tasks that you have to complete. So we have two targets. The first one has two questions. If you can't answer the first one, you will not be able to move on to the next question. So you have to find a way to figure out any question before moving on to the next one. The second thing, if you want to know where you are positioned versus the rest of the participants in the exercise, it's over here at the top. It's going to tell you your position. And the last thing is this is where we enter the answers. It's called a terminal. So what we would do is we're just going to type in the answer. So you don't have to do the slash answer. It's going to show up automatically. So if I type in my name, it's going to automatically show the answer and then your answer. And you have to click or enter. And if it's not the correct answer, it will just not let you move on. And it's going to give you a red message over here telling you that you submitted the wrong answer. Okay? That's the only things you need to know in order to be able to complete the mission successfully. Over here at the top, it's going to show you how much time left you have out of like the 1 hour that we assigned for this task. So again, when you're in the lobby, let me just exit and show you again. Once you're in the lobby, you're going to have this tile in a few minutes. It says Santa's Red Hat. You have to hover on top of it. Make sure that the join button is not grayed out. You click to join. You see your position. You see the task on the left side. And you submit your answers here by just typing or copy pasting anything over here and hitting enter in order to submit it. Okay, that's all you need to know. Um, I think I will start, let's see, I think I will start the campaign unless you want to wait for more people to join.
I think we can go ahead and start the campaign. I just need to make sure I make folks. I think I missed Biram so that I can make him a co-host also, so he can. All right, I think I just did Biram. Yeah, a co-host now, so you should be good. If I missed any of our moderators, please let me know so I can quickly make a co-host before we get started. If you don't mind, any of our moderators ping me right now. If I missed you as a co-host, please kindly just let me know right now because we'll be moving around the rooms. Anyone else? Did I miss anybody? All right. So I think we should be good and ready to go, Leah.